Welcome back to our vlog, Steph and Cait. Today we are making acai bowls and we're going to show you how we do this. So let's go. Okay, we have our ninja right here and we just pulled it out and we put some unsweetened packs of acai in there.
Now we add the milk.
Okay, go. Add the milk. Tell me when to stop. Keep going a little bit more. Perfect.
Yum, make it.
Next step, add some fruit. We're gonna plop some strawberries in. And all of these random fruits. Now you're going to add some honey. Okay, that's enough. I forgot to break the acai, so I'm gonna jab it with a knife.
So effective.
That's better. Smoothie.
The banana. Peel. Banana.
Another thing that you're gonna want to do is make sure that you buy fruit that is not already bad, because we have bad gross fruit. So you just want to have good fruit so that your bowls taste yummy. As you can see, our strawberries are getting moldy, so we're not going to use those, but normally we would put them in our bowls, but that's disgusting. Oops.
I did it again.
Add our granola. We use the Back to Nature gluten-free dark chocolate coconut granola, whole grain rolled oats. We're gonna add some in. Where's the chocolate? There it goes. Oh, Nutella. We forgot. Perfect.
Oh, you don't have to get my face. I'll just put it in. I'm gonna put them on the side.
It's so fancy.
Yeah.
I think I'm in love. I'm sent from above. Now we're going to drizzle some honey on top. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. We accidentally stained our roommates, thinking this is gonna be really bad. No, it's spreading again. No, it's coming. It's like nothing was there. You can't even tell. For the best results, you're gonna wanna put this Nutella in a plastic bag and squeeze it out, but we don't like to do that because that's too much work. So we're just going to go like this and put some on the nanners. You know, I'm just gonna scrape it over here, and then when you want it, you just dip your spoon. That's a spoon. You dip your spoon into the Nutella and then dip it in the bowl. So here's our finished bowls. Also, we got these bowls from Amazon. They were like $15 and they're super cute. We definitely did not need them, but we got them anyways.
I hope you guys enjoyed our quick little acai bowl breakfast.
Tune in next time for some more
Steph and Cait, bye!